Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holders? So this is live price prediction of Hedera Hashgraph coin, my brother. 26.34% profit Hedera Hashgraph will take now. I'm so happy and I'm very shocked to see this, and absolutely it's a very good, my friend, for all of you. Today will get a profit, but it is a very massive bump now, my brother. Absolutely, and last 2 days, my friends, this coin were starting especially moving upward. This is very danger because, my friends, after a jump absolutely they will dumps. So therefore absolutely in the start of month I am very shocked to how is it possible to in the start of month Hedera Hashgraph will starting moving upward, but this is the reality. But my friends, I cannot invest now. I just invest for 1 month and definitely I will sell it the end of month. So therefore I buy it in those days. So because, my friends, you could see here in this month especially I buy very late, big 2 days 3 days ago, my friends, to I invest in Hedera Hashgraph. And absolutely there is a one big reason, my friend. You can see here this point. When I see, my friend, in this start of month this coin will move upward, so I know to after a jump they will dump. So therefore I just wait for this dump, and definitely when they dumps down and they starting moving upward, so I just only invest now. And I am very happy to they will moving upward, and as you can see, my friends, they will hit this target. So this is means the resistance line is here now. This is mean to this coin will give me a double profit now. So if you also want to earn money, so I think this is very good time, my friends, to you will invest now, because there is 100% chance to Hedera Hashgraph will increasing more and more. So please, my viewers, my subscriber, in those days you will need to invest, and the sale at the end of month you will just only subscribe this channel. What I told you, check out my latest update. Absolutely what I told you, if you follow this, I hope at the end of month ABS channel will give you guarantee to you will earn money more and more. So thanks for watching Hedera Hashgraph. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.